Hi all, in this video I will talk about how to register the Mandelay official webshop. First you need to type in www.scio-eductor.shop. When it's loading, you have the option to change between the currencies like Euro, or you can choose USD, or you can choose the Hungarian forint. Then if you want to use the webshop, because if you go to the conference or the masterclass, you can see here to buy the ticket, you need to have a registration, like here, please log in. You can do two ways. First, click here, click on register and register in the webshop. Or you can go here, click on register, and you can register your account. You need to have your email address, you need to have your own password, then you need to decide it's individual person or company, you need to type in your phone number information, you need to type in your billing information because it's necessary. That's how we can decide you are under the VAT, you need to pay the VAT or not, or you don't need to pay the VAT. Subscribe for the newsletter and you agree all of the terms and conditions. So that's super easy to register our webshop. So if it's done, that's the point when you can log in. And when it's logged in, you can see and you can purchase your ticket or device or something. And because my registration is Hungarian, that's why I need to pay the VAT for the Hungarian thing. So it's absolutely up to your country, but that's why you need to do the registration to make our job much easier. So that's all. Thank you so much.